Sir.
Can you have a handshake, President, please?
I think the whole world today, with all this turmoil, can look to Kosovo as an example of democracy and a commitment to improve, to grow, and to live in peace with one's neighbors, which is something that every country, large and small, needs to work on, both beyond their borders and within their borders.